Hello everybody. I'm going to give a quick review on this Dynamite 7-in-1 hex driver set. Overall, I like the quality of it. It's got all the common sizes, and it looks really nice. They're all labeled. It's got a nice strong magnet right here. Yeah, I have no complaints. It's balanced well. Feels good in the hand. However, I do have one big issue with this thing, and it is this end cap here. So these do go in here just fine, and this goes in here just fine, but it is very hard to take off. So, well, you know, I stopped using this thing because of this reason. They don't stick in here very well. When you first buy it, it has like this little foam thing that has holes in it, and it slides on here. But that was not convenient at all. I threw that away immediately because you had to take everything, you had to take the whole thing off to get one out, and getting it on and threaded through all the little holes, I mean, it was just impossible. And it's got this O-ring here, which seems nice, like it might provide a watertight seal, but that's not the case, because there is big holes in here that are just, it's not watertight, that's for sure. And so after not using this for so long, and I paid good money for this. I think I paid like $60 for it maybe 5 years ago. It's down to $39.99 on Amazon right now. And I just never used it because of this reason. So what I created is a new cap for it. So it's pretty easy. It's got magnets, so you just kind of stick them in here, and it's all printed from TPU, so it's nice and flexible. Once you get them in here, it's all set, and you can set it like this. This has a rounded top, so there's no setting it like that, and it goes in here, and it's great. I mean, it feels comfortable in the hand still, and it's not quite so hard to open, and you can set it like this. You can take one out, you know, use it, and then put it back. So this thing has just made this so much better to use. I mean, functionally, it's just boop, it's pretty fast. So I like it. You can download this on Maker World. I have the plans there. And if you don't have a 3D printer, I'm going to be offering this on my Etsy store. If you go to geigertech.com, and it'll make this a lot better for you. Add some life to one of your old tools if you bought this thing. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.